What is good, YouTube and friends, and welcome back to another episode of Bitsgap Profits and Education, the episode that I do every single week where I give you an update on how much I have made profit from the best crypto trading bot in the cryptocurrency space, that is Bitsgap. Bitsgap are the official main partner of the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel and have been since the start of 2021. For those of you that aren't aware or you are new to the channel, please feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you may have about Bitsgap or cryptocurrency, and I will gladly get back to every reasonable comment in the comment section down below. Also folks, if you do find any value at all in today's video, please do consider liking the video, because you actually wouldn't realize, but liking this video really does make a massive difference to this YouTube channel. It just means that the video gets shown to more people on YouTube that are interested in cryptocurrency and specifically crypto trading bots. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Just don't be silly, it's free to do. Go down and do that there, and it really does help me out. And consider hitting the notification bells as well, so you do know when new videos do come out. Okay, let's get into the juicy stuff. Let's see my profits. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on the SpotBots page here. Now, I currently have 14 active bots running. I'm on the Pro plan currently, where you can run a maximum of 15 bots at a time, okay? So I'm really utilizing the Pro features here, okay? So I suggest you potentially look at doing that as well if you do find some value in anything that I'm sharing with you in today's video. Now, I just want to show you the very first bot that I did open up, because I'm aware that there will be a lot of new people coming to see this video as well. If we just take a scroll down to the bottom of the page, it was the INJ to USDT as the base pair, okay? So injective protocol against USDT tether. So in this particular case, folks, I'm going to click on this bot. I'm going to show you the statistics and show you the first bot that I have opened up. All right. So as you can see here, the total investment change is 19.18%. All right. And the total bot profit that I've made back on USDT, mind you, this bot is connected to Binance Exchange. That's where I do the primary amount of my trading. By the way, if you do need a link to Binance Exchange, there will be a referral link in the description of this video. But getting back to the bot profits now, I'm on 1,304 USDT, okay? And 20 cents, mind you. Might as well throw that little bit in as well. And as you can see here, my starting investment amount was 6,818 USDT, and the current amount that is in the bot is a total of 8,125 USDT. If we also just go over now and have a look at the filled orders, it has made 410 filled orders, and there are currently 50 open orders, okay? So if we X out of here and just have a look at how long this bot has been running for, how long it's been, 1 month and 11 days. What do you guys think about a 19.18% gain in 1 month and 11 days, all right? Now, if you thought that was good, you ain't seen nothing yet. My best bot performer so far has been the 88 ETH pair, the Cardano ETH pair. So as you can see here, my initial value here, okay, it was 4.7335 ETH, all right? It's had a change of 29.58%. 29.58%, all right? That's a total bot profit of $2,551 US, and it's gained me 1.6 ETH, okay? So this particular trading pair, I'm using Ethereum as the base pair instead of the USDT that I was using with injective protocol, okay? So with this base pair, I'm accumulating ETH rather than USDT, all right? And I've accumulated 1.6533 ETH in just 20 days and 10 hours. That's an average of 1.75% increase in profits per day, okay? That's set up with 50 grids, it's active, and if we go in and have a look more closely at the statistics on this, okay, you can see that my original investment was 4.7335 ETH, the change there 29%, which I showed you, and the profit of 1.6533 Ethereum there, okay? And as you can see, there's been a total of 1,050 orders that have been filled, all right? And as you can see, there's 50 open orders that are in place there as well. Also, folks, if we look just a little bit more closely here, these are a couple of pairs that I have just recently opened up in the last couple days. So these two pairs have been open for 1 day and 12 hours. I'm talking about the Engine and Ethereum pair, and the Dogecoin and the BTC pair. Yeah, say whatever you want, okay? But I'm a massive Tesla bull, and you know, if a coin's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, and I just think that Doge's gonna be one of those coins, okay? So I threw a little bit into the ring, okay? Not too much, just 6.04 BTC there. The total investment change is down 3.79%, but the bot profit has actually made me $12 on the Doge BTC pair. But it's early days on that one, folks. It's early days, so I'm in no rush to make some monumental gains there. All right, crypto's a long game at the end of the day, okay? You got to make it a bit of a long game. And the Engine Ethereum pair there, it's down 1.74%, but the bot profit is up $10, okay? So I'm not concerned with those two pairs. I see good things on the horizon for Dogecoin and also Engine Coin, okay? I know I did mention this probably in last week's video, but there has been some really bullish news out of Japan. Japanese official cryptocurrency regulators have fully accepted and regulated Engine as the gaming cryptocurrency for Japan, okay? Japan being arguably the biggest gaming capital of the entire world. That is massive news for Engine, all right? So if you're bullish on Engine, you're bullish on Ethereum. It kind of seemed like a bit of a no-brainer to get on that one. So I suppose that brings me to the total profit, folks. The total profit I've made out of all the bots combined together so far has been 13.15%, which is a total profit of $6,122 and I've made that money in just a little bit over a month. But do bear in mind, of course, all of these varying 14 bots that I have here, I've got different ages, okay? Obviously, the first one I showed you, Injective Protocol USDT, is over a month old, and I've got the Engine ETH and the Doge BTC, which is just not even 2 days old, and then I've got things in the middle like DOT BTC, that's 19 days. I've got VET ETH, okay, which is 11 days and 8 hours, currently trading in a range, which is okay, because I am expecting a bit of a pump from VET to come through quite soon, all right? So yeah, just bear that in mind, folks. It's pretty good profits all round, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on my pairs. Let me know if you've got any of these pairs, because I know a lot of you out there do, and I've been getting some really awesome feedback. So folks, I really do just want to turn this into a bit of a Q&A. Let me know out there, do you have any questions about the information that I've just shown you about the profits? I'm aware there's quite a bit to unpack here, quite a bit to learn, but one thing I really do want to stress is that this is not something where you have to know how to do cryptocurrency technical analysis to get involved, okay? You don't need to know anything about trading, okay? You need a little bit of basic knowledge about cryptocurrency, all right, which is not hard to obtain, okay? Just watch some more videos on this channel, reach out, ask me some questions. I'm more than happy to help you out wherever I can. But also do remember, it's really important that you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or getting involved in any third-party cryptocurrency services. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice. It's just me showing you how I'm making a bit of nice, healthy cash on the side from cryptocurrency. And on top of that, if you do feel like after doing your own research, you may want to get involved in this and just start on the trial plan and perhaps look at getting a pro or a premium plan at some point in the future, there will be a referral link in the description of this video. If you do use that referral link, it will be supporting the growth of this channel, and it's just a little bit of a way you can give back to me if that's something that you do want to do. All right, let's check out some of the plans and how they work. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so a lot of you out there have been asking me, okay, Earl, sounds great, I want to get involved, but what is the best plan to get on? All right, look, it really depends. It really depends. I personally prefer the pro plan because I just can't decide on any less than 5 bots. You saw me, you saw my live trading, I've got 14 bots, and to be honest, I don't even think 15 is enough, okay? I actually think they need to have another package where, you know, we can upgrade the tech in some way to have in excess of 20 bots, because there are just so many trading pairs out there which I personally believe you can make profits from, and there's so many ways you can approach this, okay? But as you can see here, they've recommended as the best choice the advanced program, all right? I would say the best thing to do is click on the link in the description, start with the basic trial, okay, if you like, which is $19 per month, all right? It includes the standard features, unlimited exchanges, 25K monthly trading limit, and 2 active trading bots, all right? But as you can see, the best choice, which they've labeled here, I guess it's best choice because perhaps it's best value for money. I can honestly say that when I was trading with 2 bots, it was, of course, it was better than nothing, but then I started trading with 5 bots and I said, hold up a sec, this is actually a little bit better. And now, as you know, even 15 bots is not enough. So for me personally, I would like something in excess of a pro package, as I did say before. But if you're starting out, there's nothing wrong with perhaps starting it as an advanced, as they've described here as the best choice, and maybe looking into the pro. The advanced package includes here all your standard features, unlimited exchanges. It's a 100K monthly trading limit, which is quite a bit probably for the average person. You got the trading bots at 5, which is okay, but I still think it's a little bit low. You got access to the arbitrage, the signals, the portfolio, extended order types, and the demo trading. And then if you want to head over to the pro package there, as you can see there, you got the standard features, the access, okay, the 15 trading bots, which is the biggie there, the take profit for the bots, the arbitrage, and all the rest of the juicy stuff there as well. Let me know if you got any questions about that at all. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so one last thing before I do wrap up today's video. I know there is so much to unpack here, but you got to understand, I'm just giving you little snippets every week, because if I was to try and go through everything in one singular video, we would be here like for a whole day, and that's just not something that we can all do, obviously, okay? So little bits of stuff at a time, all right? So the last thing that I want to show you is a question that I've been getting a lot. Earl, what happens when I decide I want to close a bot, okay? What actually happens when it's, you know, doesn't necessarily, I don't want to say it doesn't go the right way, but what happens if I just do want to trade a bot isn't performing as well as what I'd hoped, all right? So I do have an example here. So as you can see on the right-hand side, the status, if it's green and active, all right, that it's obviously active and the bot is making regular trades. Now, when it says range here in orange, okay, I'm going to click on that now and have a look. So we're looking at the VET/Ethereum pair. It was initial investment of 2.769 Ethereum, and the total investment change on that particular pair is down 19.39%, and the total bot profit is actually up $113 at 2.67%, which equates to 0.07394761 Ethereum over an 11-day period. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart first before we get into the statistics of that. So as you can see here, this is the range, okay? So as you can see here, folks, these little sort of these red circles here, that has been when the bot has been selling, okay? The green circles is where we buy, all right, and the red circles is where we sell. Now, as you can see here, see this is the grid. This is the bottom end of the grid here, this red, and see how when the candlesticks go below the red, it stops doing those little scalp trades, okay, until it re-enters the grid, all right, and starts doing those scalp trades again. So of course, we want these candlesticks, all right, inside at least the bottom half of the grid, and that's currently not happening. It's trading in a range, and I'm not making any profits from that particular pair. What am I doing in this particular case? I'm personally going to actually leave this VET and Ethereum pair, because I believe in VET as an altcoin. I believe that it definitely has the potential within the next month or so to potentially catch up with ETH. So I'm going to take a little bit of a risk on that. I'm prepared to take a bit more of a loss on that if I need to, because my overall profits are absolutely just outstanding and absolutely have just blown me out of the water. So I'm happy to take a bit of a risk on that, okay? Because I said I do believe in VET. I do think that we will re-enter, but as an example, if I did want to close this pair, which I'm not going to do, but I'm going to show you what would happen, okay? So again, let me know if you've got any questions about that, because I know that can be quite confusing, all right? So if we click on here, we'll go into the VET ETH pair in a little bit more detail, all right? Now, as you can see here, base in open orders, I got 116 VET in open orders, and I got 2.176 ETH in open orders. If I was just to cancel this trade now, if I was to cancel this trade, my open orders, which is here, I got 60 open orders, you got the filled orders, 578, okay? If I was to cancel the trade, the open orders would be cancelled, okay, and I would be left with this 116 VET, okay, which is in open orders. So I'd have a couple of options here. I could either just hodl the VET for the long term and just sell it when I want, or I could just trade my VET out for USDT and just open up another pair. I guess, you know, there isn't necessarily a right or wrong, you know, it really depends on yourself and what you want to do in that particular case. So yeah, let me know if you've got any questions about that one as well, folks. Alrighty, folks, thank you for staying on for the entire episode of Bitsgap Profits and Education. I hope you did enjoy today's episode. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bells if you do want to see more content like this. And make sure you leave your question in the comment section below, because I know you're gonna have some questions out there, and I'll be more happy to get back to you. Jump on and use the referral link in the description of this video when you choose to sign up. I hope that you enjoyed this video today, folks, and from wherever you are watching in the world, I really honestly do, from the bottom of my heart, hope you have a blessed day. Happy profits, and I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.